Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the vibration on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro or off, and where you can turn on and off the haptic feedback of this device. For that, you need to go to your settings, go to sounds and vibration, and here you just have like an overview. You have sound vibration silent, you have the volume of your alarm, your notifications, games, calls and stuff. And now we can go to more settings. We have the startup sound, the keypad tones, we have none. We can also set them to melody or default. We have the screen lock, screenshot and screen touch. We also have the vibrate when ringing, and we have the system haptics. So you want to have them on or off, whatever you like more. When they're off, it will save you some battery, because when you think about it, when your phone needs to like vibrate or make a sound whenever you touch it, that will drain your battery a lot faster. If you go back, you can just set it to vibration in general, then it doesn't ring at all. But here you can, well, make your settings. It's just really quick and easy. It's just a bit hidden here in the phone and in the settings. So that's your way to find that. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.